Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Cursor versus VSCode Agent Mode. Cursor is an AI-native code editor built from the ground up for artificial intelligence assistance. In contrast, VSCode Agent Mode integrates AI capabilities into the widely used Visual Studio Code environment. The primary distinction lies in their foundational design and approach to AI integration, offering developers different pathways to enhanced productivity. We will explore these differences in detail. Cursor offers a deeply integrated AI experience, providing features like intelligent code generation, sophisticated debugging, and efficient refactoring tools. It boasts a seamless, built-in chat interface and powerful auto-debug capabilities that streamline problem-solving. Many users report significant productivity gains, sometimes up to 30% faster coding, due to its comprehensive AI-first design. This makes it a compelling choice for those seeking an entirely new development paradigm. VSCode Agent Mode leverages the familiar and robust Visual Studio Code platform, along with its extensive ecosystem of extensions. It delivers AI assistance primarily through popular extensions such as GitHub Copilot, offering intelligent code completion, suggestions, and conversational chat. This approach allows developers to enhance their existing workflows with powerful AI benefits without needing to transition to an entirely new editor. It's about augmenting, not replacing, your current setup. Choosing between these two powerful tools depends on your priorities. Opt for Cursor if you desire a fully integrated AI-first development experience designed for maximum AI leverage. Conversely, select VSCode Agent Mode if you prefer to enhance your current Visual Studio Code setup with artificial intelligence, maintaining your familiar environment. Consider your existing toolchain, comfort with new interfaces, and specific project needs to make the best decision for your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.